Consumer Voice conducted comparative testing of 11 regular selling brands of instant water heaters of 1 liter capacity, whose test findings would educate the consumers in choosing based on value for money. All the brands, as shown for comparative testing, were duly masked and coded to avoid any influences of the lab test engineers. Initially, physical tests were conducted to examine the robustness of the water heaters. Later, key safety tests were conducted on the water heaters to analyze whether they meet the safety requirements, as all consume about 3 kilowatts of energy to heat the water instantly. During the performance tests as shown, all the water heaters have undergone performance tests for various parameters on water heating and related tests using variety of test instruments where temperature of output hot water was measured with respect to let down standard test conditions. There are various control factors to be taken care while conducting the performance test accurately, as only few minutes takes to judge the quality and performance test. Great care is taken to standardize the test conditions and methods to conduct the performance test. The test lab was approved by NABL and is well familiarized to test all the quality tests. The test findings have been published in the November edition of Consumer Voice.